Hello, I'm Sheila O'Brien. I'm here to talk about the global expansion of our workforce. Our global expansion opportunities are in Mexico. First of all, because of the proximity, with shared borders and the same time zones, makes it an easy partner. The trade considerations, import and export treaties already in place, manufacturing proficiencies, infrastructure in place and operating. These include seaports, railways, and road systems. There's access to local talent with a large, diverse labor force. Mexico has government-sponsored and incentivized programs, specialized training programs, making it common to find highly skilled employees. Our other opportunity for expansion is in Ireland. With trade agreements in place, this enables us to immediately increase business with the UK. The availability of factories for either further international expansion or to relocate our operations facilities. There is also the given advantage of Ireland being an English-speaking country, taking away any language barrier issues. Ireland has transportation connections throughout Europe and the rest of the world with regular international flights, and an educated workforce. Ireland ranks in the top 10 globally for the quality of its educational system. These opportunities for the XYZ company to expand globally, myself, along with the rest of our talent management team, must make the most of this opportunity to create a global workforce. The first step in expanding our talent is to outline our practices and strategies to hire people no matter where they reside in the world, with an international recruiting process. By deciding which staffing approach is most suitable for each case, discuss the budget with finance and stick to it. Determine the recruitment methods, if it's a local job board or a local-based recruiters or expats and relocation costs. We may need to update job descriptions as host country requirements may dictate a change. We need to be consistent when evaluating all candidates, regardless of where around the world they are located, eliminating any bias. We then determine compensation, extend the offer, and close the hire. There are 4 types of staffing options to consider when staffing our international offices. Polycentric staffing, hiring locals from the host country to fill our positions. Ethnocentric staffing, fill positions with people from our parent country. Regiocentric staffing, hire or transfer people within the same region or group of countries to fill open positions. And ecocentric staffing, hiring the best people to fill the positions, regardless of where they come from or where they live. This will primarily work for remote jobs. So, the question is, should we recruit local or expatriate people from within the company? Both kinds of hires have separate strengths and weaknesses, and for this reason, we will consider a combination of the two. Let's discuss the advantages of a host country staffing strategy. We would employ people who were born and live in the country where our business is operating. The shipping and receiving clerk would have knowledge of Correos de Mexico, the Mexican Post. This is the national postal service provider, delivering registered mail, domestic shipments, and speed post across Mexico. In Ireland, An Post is the state-owned provider of postal services, providing postal service to all parts of the country as a member of the Universal Postal Union. The machinist. In Ireland, the power plugs and sockets are type G, and the standard voltage is 230 watts, which is different from the United States. In Mexico, the occupational health and safety standards have a different set of rules than in the U.S. The administrative assistant, they would understand the local culture and languages. This makes it easier to schedule and coordinate with other local businesses. The accountant and controller. There are different tax laws and reporting rules. In Ireland, the Central Bank of Ireland is responsible for the supervision of the regulated markets. The National Banking and Securities Commission, CNBV, is in charge of oversight and regulation of banking in Mexico. To be a successful VP of Sales and Marketing, a strong understanding of the language, custom, and market dynamics are essential to relate to the local customers in our expansion markets. Because we have a desire to maintain our corporate culture and controls, no matter where we are in the world, we will choose to staff the accountant and the VP of Sales and Marketing with expatriates instead of local talent. To do this, we need to understand the work visa requirements for both Mexico and Ireland. In Mexico, an application needs to be filled out for temporary residency. Then you would apply for a work visa. Within 30 days, you need to exchange the work visa for a work permit. In Ireland, the first step is to secure a job offer. After securing the offer, you apply for an employment permit. Once you have the employment permit, then you apply for a visa to actually go to Ireland. We must continue to examine the job descriptions to align with the country we are doing business in. The shipping and receiving clerk. They track inventory, maintain storage areas, and need to be certified for forklift use. This job may require different methods based on the different mail services. The machinist, maintain industrial machines, interpret technical drawings, and adhere to safety protocol. They need to adhere to the local standards in the country that they are occupying. Administrative assistant, excellent communication and manage daily schedules. They need to adjust to language and customs of the host country, and this may alter responsibilities of the position. The accountant and controller manages quarterly close, prepares budget, adheres to compliance laws, and maintains local certifications. There are different certifications required in Ireland to qualify as an accountant. Any new hire must be properly certified. The VP of Sales and Marketing manage high-achieving sales and marketing teams. The sales quota may need to be adjusted, and additional steps may be required to create international brand standards. All this will be possible with open communication. It's the key to our successful expansion in the office and across the globe. Regardless of time zones or different languages, we will create a diverse and inclusive community with a positive company culture. I look forward to expanding our workforce around the world. Thank you for your time.